Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to apply for a RuPay credit card in iMobile application. Now this is going to be a lifetime free credit card, so you don't have to pay any joining fee or annual fee to use this card. So that's a good thing about it. So I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open iMobile application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Now it doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is going to be same. Now once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. If you have a saving account in ICICI, then you will be able to see saving account over here. Now in my case, I only have Amazon ICICI credit card, so it is showing me the details for that. Now, if you want to apply for RuPay credit card, so there are few ways by which you can simply go to that particular page. First is either you can go to offer section, and in offers, if you go down, you get an option of RuPay credit card with UPI. So you can select get card now option and it will take you to this particular page. Now this is one way of getting to that page. Another way is, so if you are on home page and if you are able to see my cards option, you can simply select that particular option, and on this page you get an option of apply for RuPay credit card with UPI. Simply select get card now option and again it will take you back to the same page. Now over here, this is the particular lifetime free credit card. You can see joining fee is nil and annual fee is also nil, so you don't have to pay anything. Now if you swipe like this, you will get HPCL Super Saver RuPay card. You can also apply for this, but over here you can see there is a joining fee of 500 and annual fee of again 500 plus GST. And also if you want to know more details about that particular card, you can just simply tap on it and you can check out the details. Again, if you swipe like this, you get another ICICI card, which is Rubik's RuPay card, and this is the premium card, I would say, because the joining fee is 3000 and annual fee is 2000 plus GST. So you can select if you want that card, but if you want a lifetime free credit card, then you can go with this Coral RuPay card. Now, as I said, if you want to know more details, you can simply tap on know more and you can check what else you get with this particular card. You get one complimentary domestic airport lounge access per quarter and also one complimentary domestic railway lounge access per quarter. You can check out all the details over here. Now, in order to apply for this particular card, you just have to tap and select that card, and after that, just simply select this box and select generate now. It will ask you to enter 4-digit PIN. So enter the PIN and go ahead. Now you can see I have got a successful message saying that congratulations, your RuPay credit card for UPI transaction is successfully generated. Enjoy secure payment on the go. Now over here, I need to tell you few details like you can see it is showing credit limit of 5,60,000 and I have already got the card number and all the details over here. Now as I said that I am already using Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, so that card and this card is exactly same. That is Visa card and this is RuPay credit card. So that is the only difference. Now it is saying that come back in 24 hours and unlock the full potential of your card. After that, you can just simply use it for UPI. It is showing the process of how you can activate for UPI, also how you can enable it for online transaction. All those things are given over here. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you need more details like how to do the settings for this particular card, then you can let me know in comment section below. I'll definitely try to make a video on that. And if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.